guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have something so pretty for you, and it's easy and inexpensive too. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. For this DIY, you're going to need a Dollar Tree $5 4-foot Christmas tree. These are so nice, so grab a couple if you find them. And here's the barcode if you'd like to screenshot it. You are also going to need 2 Christmas picks. You will also need some ribbon with wire for 2 bows and for the sides of the swag, and you're going to need some shatterproof Christmas ornaments. And this is going to be a beautiful teardrop door swag. So first you're going to want to take it out of the box and remove the little stand and then the knob that's on the very end and fluff your Christmas tree. Leave the back flat and just fluff it to the left and the right and toward the ceiling. Next you're going to need your 2 Christmas picks, and I found these at a local boutique. So you're going to want to take them, place one at the top, twist a couple branches around it, and then I did go back and zip tie them in to make sure they didn't slide or move. Then I'm placing one going the opposite direction, just overlapping the picks, going to untwist the branch, put that one in, then twist it right around the 2 Christmas tree picks. I'm just securing it nice and tight. So I've got one Christmas pick at the top and one at the bottom. And this is such an easy teardrop door swag to make. And you can make this for any season or holiday. Make sure you go back and fluff your little Christmas pick. And that is just precious. I love the little elves' feet and all the little whimsical pieces to this Christmas pick. And there's the 2 zip ties I added just to make sure it stays nice and straight and in line. Next I'm going to be tying a bigger bow for the top and then a second bow for the bottom. And this ribbon came from Sam's Club. So let out a tail, pinch it, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, go the other side, let out some more ribbon, make another loop, make it the same size as your first loop. Check each time to make sure your loops are the same size. Let out some more ribbon, make another loop, keep it pinched tightly in your hand. If it's a little bit too long, then just pull it and make it smaller. Then go the other side, make another loop, then let out a tail. And this ribbon does have wire in it. Then I'm going with my second color of ribbon, also from Sam's Club. Going to let out a tail, place it directly on top of the first color, and we're just going to do 1 loop. For this bow, I did 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right, but for the smaller bow on the bottom with this color, I only did 1 loop on the left and 1 loop on the right. And you'll see in just a second what I'm talking about. Sometimes when your ribbon has a design on it, you have to twist the ribbon a half turn to keep the design on top. So I'm doing 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right, and there I had to do that twist to keep the design on top. Now I'm going to let out a tail, and then you're going to want to have a zip tie and some floral wire close by. So I am just going to take a zip tie and wrap it nice and tight around the center of my bow. And then I did for the center cut about a 12-inch strip and made a center knot because I should have used a clear zip tie instead of the black one. So I wanted to cover that. So I just cut a strip of ribbon and made a knot. And I just tied it on the front of it, but I had to clip off that piece of zip tie first. Then I flipped it back over and I tied on the ribbon to the center. I just made a little knot and try to keep the knot as flat as you can and the pretty side of the ribbon showing. Then don't forget to dovetail the ends and fluff and shape your bow. Before I attach my bows, I wanted to add some ribbon to this teardrop door swag. So I dovetailed the ends of the two colors, have them stacked one on top of the other, move down 4 or 5 inches, pinch them together, and I'm going to take a Christmas tree branch and just twist it around the ribbon. And then I am not going to pull the ribbon tight. I'm just going to leave it a little bit loose, kind of make a puff or poof, whatever you want to call it. Move down a little bit in the center, twist a couple branches around it. Same steps all the way down the center, and then leave a tail at the end. And then I ended up doing these same steps on the left side and the right side of this teardrop door swag. And can you believe this is made with a Dollar Tree $5 Christmas tree? Here's how the center looks. Now, if you do not want to use shatterproof Christmas ornaments, you could use a sign. There's lots of different ways to decorate your teardrop door swag. I'm just giving you some ideas. And then there's the smaller second bow that I used on the bottom of the swag. So I just threaded a piece of wire through that loop on the back of the bow, and then on this one I'm taking some 20 gauge floral wire, threading it underneath the zip tie. That way I can easily attach the bow to my swag. This is the bigger bow, the first one I made. So I'm going to the top of the teardrop door swag, threading the wires on the left and right side of the middle of the tree, then going to the back, twisting the wires. Then I'll cut them off short and fold them down once I make sure that the bow's where I want it to be placed. And then same step, I'm going to the bottom this time, wiring my bow on, making sure it's where I can still see the cute elf's little legs. If you notice at the very top how the branches stick out, when I hung it on my door, I just kind of curled the branches, just a little like whimsical look you'll see when it's hanging on the door, but instead of them sticking straight out, I kind of gave them a little bit of curve on the end. And then here I'm adding ribbon to the left and right side, and this time I decided to secure with little 4-inch clear zip ties. I just took a branch and zip tied the ribbon to it. Then I moved down a little bit, not pulling the ribbon tight, pinch it together and zip tie it to a branch. I did this on the left side and the right side too. This is a very simple teardrop door swag. So you just need a Dollar Tree $5 Christmas tree, 2 Christmas picks, some bows, and some shatterproof Christmas ornaments, or you could use a sign. And then I also added some cute little snowflakes that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I also picked up some of the smaller Dollar Tree $1.25 Christmas trees too. So DIYs with those coming up soon. And there's the shatterproof Christmas ornaments and the snowflakes. And I just wired these shatterproof Christmas ornaments on. So wire them on, and then you can hot glue them in place. I'm taking my wires, one on the left side, one on the right side of the Christmas tree, going to the back of the Christmas tree, giving those wires a few twists, cutting them off short, and folding them down. To hang up this cute elf Christmas teardrop door swag, to the end of the Christmas tree, it's a metal piece, so I just wrapped some twine around it, used some hot glue, and made a loop to hang it on my door. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And those of you that have hit that subscribe button, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate each and every one of you that leaves the sweetest comments on my tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful and Merry Christmas.